Hi, I'm Fern. I am from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and today I want to show you how to use the perfect positioning on the Meridian. So the IQ Designer on the Meridian, Altair, and Venture, I'll use the perfect positioning. And to get there, we've got the Baby Lock app, and we're going to use the IQ Positioning app. Now I have hooped my project. I'm just doing this cute little camping bag. We are going to take a picture. So I'm going to hit the photo frame for easy positioning. You want a flat surface, and you can get a shot on top. It's going to give us, when it's in the right spot, it's going to give us a hold, and then it takes the picture. So now we have what's in my hoop on the picture, and I'm going to go ahead and send it to the machine. Now I have already hooked my Wi-Fi up to the machine and made sure it's talking to the machine, and you heard that it says an image was sent from a mobile app.